In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 10, subject mathematics science group, part number 2. In this video we will learn the remaining MCQs of unit number 6, part number 2 with concept. So first of all, subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos with your friends, click on bell icon and also click on all options so that you have to get updates about my new video. So let's see, we will start the solution of remaining MCQs of unit number 6, class 10, subject maths. Unit number 6, basic statistics. Okay, let's see the first MCQ of today's video. 13 MCQ. The nth positive root of the product of the x1, x2, x3 observation is called dash. Mod, mean, geometric mean. So its keywords are positive root of the product means multiply. So let's see how we can explain. For example, you are going to take here two words, two numbers, 2 multiplied by 3 and two numbers here, so its power is 1 by 2. If you are taking here three numbers, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, then its power what will be here 1 by 3. So that is known as geometric mean. Question solve करते हुए आपने ये देखा होगा geometric mean, that is known as a geometric mean. So its correct option is geometric mean. The nth positive root of the product is known as a geometric mean. Now let's see its 14th MCQ. So the value obtained by reciprocating. Here keywords are used. Reciprocating the mean of the reciprocal of x1, x2, x3 up to xn observations is called A option geometric mean, B option median and C option is harmonic mean. Its correct option is harmonic mean. Reciprocating, reciprocal means you have to take the inverse. For example, you can write its formula n divided by sum of 1 by x, that is the reciprocal. So you can write 2 and its reciprocal is 1 by 2, so that is the reciprocating, so it is known as harmonic mean. Now 15 MCQ is the most frequent occurring observation in a data set is called mod, median, harmonic mean. Most frequent means repeated, frequent means repeated. Most repeated value is known as a mod. Let's see. For example, I have written here values 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So check that which one is the most time repeated. 2 repeated here one time, 3 not repeated, 2 also not repeated, 5 not repeated and 4 repeated here 3 times. So it will be mod. Mod equals to 4, the most frequent or most repeated value. So the most frequent occurring observation in a data set is called mod. Let's see its 16 MCQ. The measure which determines the middlemost. Here keyword is used middlemost. Middle means center. Observation in a data set is called median, mod or mean. Its correct option is median. Median means middle value and middlemost means median. So let's see how. So for example, I am going to write here some values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So middlemost, you have to leave equal values on both sides. Two values now. दोनों साइड पे मैंने सेम वैल्यूज लीव की हैं, ठीक है. सेंटर में कौन सी वैल्यू बची? 3. सो दैट इज़ द मिडल मोस्ट, दैट इज़ द मीडियन. सो द measure which determines the middlemost observation in a data set is called median. Now 17th MCQ is the observations that divide a data set into 4 equal parts. Here keywords are used. 4 equal parts are called deciles. Deciles means 10 parts, 10 parts, 10 हिस्से. Quartiles means 4 parts. Percentiles words percentage से निकला है, यानी 100 parts. So quartiles, that is the correct option. Now 18th MCQ is the spread or scatterness. Here keywords are used. spread होता है बिखरा हुआ होना. scatterness इसका भी मतलब ये बिखरा हुआ. So of observation in a data set is called dash average, dispersion and center tendency. अब spread और scatterness का मतलब है बिखरा हुआ होना, तो dispersion का मतलब भी यही है, बिखरा हुआ होना. So scatterness and spread are keywords for dispersion. So its correct option is dispersion. Now let's see its 19th MCQ. The measures that are used to determine the degree or extent of variation in our data. Here the keywords, the degree or extent of variation in our data set. First is dispersion, second is central tendency, third is average. So let's see the definition of dispersion. So open page number 137 and see the definition of measures of dispersion. The measures that are used to determine the degree or extent of variation in a data set are called measures of dispersion. यहाँ से भी आपको इसकी definition का पता चला होगा and which one is the correct option? So dispersion is the correct option. So the extent, ये था. The measures that are used to determine the degree or extent of variation in a data set are called measures of dispersion. So correct option is dispersion. Now let's see 20th MCQs. The extent of variation between two extreme observations. Extreme मतलब कम से कम हद क्या होगी और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हद क्या होगी. Observations of a data set is measured. Average, range, quartile. So its correct option is range. How? Let's see extreme values. For example, मैं यहाँ पे यही प्रीवियस वैल्यूज़ यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. आपके पास वैल्यूज़ हैं 1 2 3 4 5. इसमें एक्सट्रीम लिमिट्स क्या हो सकती हैं? सबसे कम वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है 1 और सबसे हाईएस्ट वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है 5. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस लें. 5 - 1 क्या होगा 4. दैट इज़ नोन एज अ रेंज. एक्सट्रीम ऑब्जर्वेशंस ऑफ अ डाटा. सो द एक्सटेंट of variation between two extremes observations of a data set is measured by range. क्योंकि range का फॉर्मूला है maximum value minus minimum. So 21th MCQ, let's see. The mean of the squared deviations of x I equals to 1 to up to n observations from their arithmetic mean is called variance, standard deviation and range. So let's see the इट्स फॉर्मूला. वो क्या कह रहा है कि मीन ऑफ द स्क्वायर्ड डेविएशंस फ्रॉम देयर अरिथमेटिक मीन. सो लेट्स सी पेज नंबर 138 पे आप इसका फॉर्मूला चेक कर लें. ये स्क्वायर्ड डेविएशन है और स्क्वायर्ड डेविएशन और अरिथमेटिक मीन के स्क्वायर को इसमें से माइनस कर दो तो दैट इज़ नोन एज अ वेरिएंस. आप इस MCQ के लिए वेरिएंस की डेफिनेशन भी चेक कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी पेज नंबर 144 पे आप वेरिएंस की डेफिनेशन चेक करें. वेरिएंस इज डिफाइंड एज द मीन ऑफ द स्क्वायर डेविएशंस ऑफ एक्स आई ऑब्जर्वेशन फ्रॉम देयर अरिथमेटिक मीन दैट इज नोन एज अ वेरिएंस. दोनों तरह से मैंने आपको समझा दिया ये. नाउ लेट्स सी इट्स लास्ट MCQ. द पॉजिटिव स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ मीन ऑफ द स्क्वायर डेविएशन. यहाँ पे कीवर्ड है पॉजिटिव स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ स्क्वायर डेविएशन observations from their arithmetic mean is called harmonic mean, range or standard deviation. For this purpose you have to see the definition of standard deviation. Open page number 154. Let's see the definition of standard deviation. That is, I am going to highlight this. Is defined as the positive square root of mean of the square deviations of xi observations from their arithmetic mean, that is known as a standard deviation. Now I hope so you have understand the concept of MCQs with solution और आपको इसकी अच्छी तरह से समझ आ चुकी होगी. आई होप कि आपको मेरी वीडियो से फ़ायदा भी हो रहा होगा. अपनी स्टडी पे भी फोकस करें. आपके पेपर्स भी करीब आ रहे हैं और MCQs को विद कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो आप लर्न करें. So after that subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos and also click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.